Hello, my name is Frederick and I'm going to present Smart Advisors. It's an advisor that is smart, and by smart we mean connected, as in smartphone. With the advancement in technology, however, what defines something as smart means different things to different people. Looking through the Gartner Hype Cycle reports indicate that smart now also includes artificial intelligence, cloud computing platforms with machine learning capabilities. And smart advisors is then a plethora of technologies which uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to aid and assist us in our decision-making processes. A smart advisor. There is a few early platforms on the market today of this type of machines that acts as virtual private assistants that can plow through thousands of research papers in mere seconds to find an answer to any question of your fancy. So what's the state of its current use? The current state of smart advisors is one of both exploration and secret research. Some notable players in the field includes Google with its recently acquired DeepMind AI, which, as far as we know, currently only uses deep learning and evolutionary computer to beat video games from the 90s. IBM though, they have Watson, a natural language processing AI which scans speech and text and draws logical conclusions about the text with supported evidence. Some of Watson's data is human curated, but the system itself learns as it continues to process more and more information on any particular topic. Originally, it was developed to beat grandmasters of the game show Jeopardy and answer typically Jeopardy-like questions. But Watson now analyzes medical research and cybercrime logs, amongst other things, in order to give highly probable diagnostic advice to medical staff and security analysts. Some spin-off experiments from Watson's include Chef Watson, a recipe-making platform in which IBM paired the web service and cookbook site Bon Appetit with Watson's natural language processing to find unusual flavor combination and output probable recipes with mixed results. Would you like a minced chocolate burrito, for example? Perhaps not. There are more of these platforms on the market, but they are all basically the same thing. This last example can perhaps tell us more about the maturity of this technology. From typically wonky recipes and before learning the subject thoroughly from years worth of accumulated research paper, there's not much these supercomputers can do at the moment. Even with human curators there to help the system, a computer still thinks like a computer. This brings us to the innovation potential of smart advisors. Machines are everywhere around us, and we are using machines for all sorts of things and activities. Most of the personal machines that have some sort of human interactivity still requires a fair deal of human interaction. Much technology will be able to take a big leap forward if these systems were to become autonomous. Smart advisors using machine learning are still in its infancy, and artificial intelligence is a buzzword that gets thrown around a lot of these days in media, with companies investing millions in technology startups developing machine learning software. IBM, Watson and others are giving out free tiers to their cloud computing platforms to universities in order to improve their own technology. In Gartner's 2015 Hype Cycle, smart advisors have landed near the top in the peak of inflated expectation. This comes from the fact that although there are a few major players in the field, the technology is yet to be really tested without human interaction. There has been a few articles reporting the success of these smart machines, like winning Go and chess competition and Watson trumping Jeopardy game shows. These systems have yet to show results in cancer diagnostics and cybercrime reports. Virtual private assistants such as Apple's Siri and Google Now can be seen as precursors to autonomous agents in which we interact with computer systems through their automated assistants, and rather than through menus and buttons. Contextual menus and interfaces can already be seen emerging from smartphone developers. In iOS 9, for example, Siri recommends activities and apps based on your location, collected usage patterns and time of the day. These systems will become increasingly more advanced if the trend continues. What if this innovation could let smart machines give us financial advice, mortgage and investment guides, for example, as well as industrial and market reports, all without human interaction at all? We'd be one step closer to autonomous smart things and agent that augments our activity. Thank you very much.